We are getting a real late start here this afternoon. And yes, it's this afternoon. It's almost 1 o'clock. I had other things I wanted to do this morning and I got them done. So, here we are. We're going to have a pretty short video, I can tell already. And I got a bit of a, well, not a problem, but I'm kind of wondering how am I going to go about holding on to these little pieces while I paint them. And I want to try and use the airbrush. Yeah, I'll try and explain here. Now some of these pieces are a little easier to grab onto with something like this than others. For instance, these little guns here, you can grab onto the base where you're not going to want to paint, and then of course you can spray it and then turn it the other way and spray it. However, some of these pieces, like these little vents that we did, see if I can get it on here. Okay, so when I clip onto it, now I suppose I could adjust it a little better than that, but still it's gonna, the clip is going to be masking off the edge, and it's not going to spray properly. So what I've come up with for something like this is, let's see if I can get it here. I took a wire, and my thinking is that if I can get it to on the inside, see if I can hold it so you can see it here. Okay, then it will be like so. Here, I'll zoom in on that so you can see what I'm talking about. Now you will notice here that a lot of these pieces have this very delicate photo etch grill work, and if I was to try and paint this with a brush, I'm probably going to end up filling that in, and yeah, spoil the effect of course. May as well just be a solid piece of plastic then. Whereas I think that if I was to spray these, I'd have better luck. Well, we'll find out, because that's what we're going to do tomorrow. Not today. Anyway, thanks for watching, and all being well, we'll see you tomorrow.